Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and a viewer or subscriber was having trouble rotating this star. They kept going, instead of 72 degrees, it was more like 80 degrees, and he couldn't ever get it to line up. And a couple of more emails back and forth, I finally figured out what he was doing wrong. First of all, and I made several videos on centering a star. I've got this star in the center of the page as far as Corel is concerned, but if you'll look at the distances between these inner parts, I'm way off. I'm not in the center of the page. So you've got that star, make it a 6-sided star, and then hit P on the keyboard, and now it's all equal distances. You could go back down to 5. Now it's in the center, even though it looks like it's the center part of the star is above the center line. So we need another star about that size. So I'm going to get the star, and I'm going to draw a star, but I'm going to make the star this time 6-sided. I'm going to put no fill and no outline. I'm going to hit P on the keyboard. It put the 6-sided star in the center. So now let's just make it 5. Now let's just get rid of that star. So now both stars are in the center. Take that star and go Control D and make a duplicate. Holding down the control button, move it up to about where you want it. Select both those stars, go to Effects, Blend, and let's blend it 3 times. Hit Apply, and what that does, it puts it equal spacing, the blend tool. Now, we do have this star in the center. We're going to select it all. Matter of fact, for the video, let's group this together. Control. Well, what we need to do first, and you can see my menus up here is different. We can't do anything with it because we need to go up to Arrange and break the blend apart. Then you can select them all and you can arrange and group these together. Okay, now Control. You know what I'm actually going to do to make it easier is I'm going to get rid of that star on the bottom. I'm going to ungroup that, and I'm just going to delete that, get that star out of the way, because it's going to be hard to get it in the center. Now let's group these together with Control G. Control D and make a duplicate. Hit your rotation, and see, that's why I wanted to move that star out of the way. I want my rotation in the center. Sometimes it doesn't look like it, but it's there. Now rotate this 72 degrees. Control D. Sometimes Corel does it, sometimes they don't. So 144, Control D, Control D. Then you could actually, 2 ways, put that, and if I would have nudged that out of the way, I could nudge it back, but I'm going to make it a 6-sided star, press P on the keyboard, and go back to a 5-sided star. Now everything is in the center, and everything is correct. And what he was doing before, he wasn't in the center of the star, so the angles were off. It's a pretty neat design if you were going to cut that out and have stars with it. But I hope that helped him a little bit, and thank you for watching.